Today we will start with distance formula. Now in distance formula, I will tell you how to find out the distance between 2 points. Like say a point is given P x1 y1, another point is given Q x2 y2. Now these two are the coordinate, these are the points in the coordinate plane. So if this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, then let P be x1 y1 and Q be x2 y2. Now in order to find out the distance between these 2 points, we will use this formula. This PQ will denote the distance between these 2 points, and it is given by the formula root over of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now just take a look of this. PQ, Q is coming in the second position, so this Q coordinates will come first, x2 minus x1, then the P coordinates, again y2 minus y1. So this will, the one which you are writing at the end, that coordinates you will take at the first. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now if you have to find out the distance between any point from the origin. Origin we know the coordinate is 0, 0. So if say I have, say S is 1 point over here, say S is 1 point over here, and you have to find SO, then SO will be root over of x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, which is equal to root over of x square plus y square units. Okay. So in this way you have to find out the distance between any 2 points given on the coordinate plane. Now come to the next sum. Given, find the distance between the following pairs of points. One is 2, 3, 4 and 4, 1. The second one is AB and minus A minus B. You will just give a name, some P or Q or A or B, whatever name you feel like, you can give the name to the coordinate points. So I have given over here P 2, 3 and Q 4, 1. Now the distance between them is PQ. So this is equal to root over of Q coordinate is 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. So this is equal to root over of 2 square plus minus 2 whole square, which is equal to root over of 4 plus 4, that is equal to root over of 8. And so this is equal to 2 root over 2 units. Similarly, the next sum is given AB and minus A minus B. So if I take this as S, this as T, then ST will be minus A minus B whole square plus minus B whole square. So this is coming as minus 2A whole square plus minus 2B whole square. So this is equal to root over of 4A square plus 4B square, which is equal to 2 root over of A square plus B square units.